Ready to launch blazing fast websites without coding from scratch? Let's dive into how to leverage HTML templates in Adobe Dreamweaver to supercharge your web design workflow. First, you will need to open Dreamweaver. Once that is done, open a new HTML file. After the new HTML file is open, it is time to begin editing. Now, locate the Insert panel. Within the options, you will see different options, including templates. Select the option that says Templates. Browse through the template options. These templates are pre-designed websites, perfect for a quick start. After selecting a template, Dreamweaver imports it directly into your current project and opens for editing. Dreamweaver allows you to customize content, images, and styles. Start personalizing by replacing the placeholder text with your own content. To edit images, click on an image placeholder and then upload your own images. Change headings and content by double-clicking them and editing in place. Pay special attention to the menu bar or navigation section of your template. Dreamweaver allows you to adjust formatting options like font, size, and color through the Properties panel at the bottom. Feel free to modify to your preference. Once your template is customized to your liking, don't forget to save your file. You can also view the live preview of your website in a web browser. Congratulations, you have successfully used and edited a template.